Hello ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for clicking on this video. My name is Oksana. Today I'm gonna do another unboxing from Louis Vuitton, and this is a small item, so this video is going to be very short. I'm not gonna beat around the bushes. I want to show you this beautiful item. In fact, it's a costume jewelry, and this is from the new cruise collection. It was for very short time available on the web. I purchased this through the web, and and then it's gone literally in a flash. And when I came and picked up this item from the store boutique, they said they never even received anything yet, and they were all so excited to actually look at this new item from the cruise collection. So obviously they're proof of purchase, and when you're buying on the web, they're still using large envelopes, because when you're buying in the store, they already give you those tiny small envelopes for the purchase, for your receipt. And here is the cutie. I hope that you're gonna like this item, because I definitely do. And the reason that I got this item, because I have lots of custom jewelries, but I don't have a single custom jewelry from Louis Vuitton. So there you go, that's how it looks like. And there is also a booklet that tells you how to take care of your costume jewelries from LVs, and comes in this very nice, well-made dust bag. And here is the item. I'm gonna come closer to the camera, and that's how they look like. They're absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so this is the number if you maybe want to order from your essay. So this is the number if you need it, and I will put it also at the bottom of the screen. I will try to also model for you guys, and what they say in the description, it's a motif of LV flower, and in the middle it's kind of connected by the bridge, and over there you see it says LV. It's absolutely gorgeous. I was worried that it's going to be a little bit heavy, but in fact it's not. And I will show you how it's at the back. At the back is just the regular studs, and I will show you what it says at the back also of each earrings. Right there, I hope it will focus. Right there, it's also, I believe it says Louis Vuitton, and it says Paris, if I'm not mistaken. I have to grab my glasses to see. It's absolutely gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And let me try for you these earrings, guys. So this is number one. Let me come closer. I hope it's focusing. Please tell me that it's focusing. So that's how they look like. So this is on my ear number one. I do hope that it's focusing. So that's how they look like. And let me do the second ear. And they're not really heavy. That's what I like. There is a substantial, look to it. They look like they're quite, not very big, but fairly decent size, but they're not heavy. So let me come closer to the camera. So that's how it looks like on my right ear. I hope that you like it. Please tell me that you like. So that's how they look. And this is on my left ear. And this is all together. That's how they look like. I guess this is really close up to the camera. Maybe I shouldn't do that. Okay, I hope you like it, guys. So this is about it for today's video. As I said, it's going to be very short. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Please, if you like the video, don't forget to give me likes, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.